Shopify is a user-friendly web application that allows you to create online stores effortlessly. It offers various customizable themes to meet branding needs and supports both physical and digital products. With Shopify, even those with no coding or design experience can build an online store. It runs on its servers, eliminating the need for software installation or web hosting. Shopify developers are experts in creating and managing e-commerce websites powered by Shopify. They possess the technical knowledge to develop custom solutions for businesses. With e-commerce revenues expected to reach $6.33 trillion worldwide by 2024, the demand for skilled Shopify developers is on the rise, making it a lucrative career option. Shopify developers are responsible for creating, customizing, and maintaining online shops built with Shopify. Their tasks include developing custom themes, creating applications and plugins, integrating third-party APIs, and ensuring the store runs smoothly. Full-time developers also provide maintenance and troubleshooting assistance, optimizing stores for maximum performance. Shopify developers can specialize in different areas based on their skills and experience. The main types include Shopify web developers, who build and manage websites, Shopify theme developers, who create custom themes, and Shopify app and plugin developers, who develop custom apps and plugins to enhance store functionality. Each type plays a crucial role in the e-commerce ecosystem. To tackle a project successfully, Shopify developers need a specific set of skills. These include adding new features to a store, migrating e-commerce sites to Shopify, developing themes using version control, and integrating ads. Mastery of these skills ensures that developers can meet the diverse needs of businesses and create efficient, user-friendly online stores. One essential skill for Shopify developers is adding new features to an existing store. This involves updating product details such as price, availability, and variants. Developers can do this through the Shopify admin by navigating to Products, Browse All Products, and clicking Add Product. After entering the necessary information, they simply click Save to update the store. Migrating an existing e-commerce store to Shopify is another critical skill. This process involves transferring data and ensuring the new store functions seamlessly. Developers must follow specific steps and instructions, considering the unique setup of each store. Hiring an experienced Shopify developer can simplify this complex process, ensuring a smooth transition. Experienced Shopify theme developers should be proficient in using version control systems like Git. Version control helps manage changes to code, preventing unnecessary uncertainty. Developers can track changes by downloading the theme to their computer and using Git commands. This practice ensures that all modifications are documented and easily reversible if needed. Integrating ads is a valuable skill for Shopify developers. Using Shopify's marketing feature, developers can create, launch, and measure ad campaigns on platforms like Facebook and Google. This tool helps businesses grow by automatically populating ads with product images, titles, and descriptions. Developers can track campaign results immediately, optimizing ad performance. In addition to technical skills, Shopify developers must possess soft skills like communication and teamwork. They should have a strong understanding of PHP, JavaScript, jQuery, and Shopify APIs. Salaries for Shopify developers vary based on experience, region, and project complexity. On average, salaries range from $84,008 to $115,577 annually, reflecting the high demand for skilled professionals.